Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows. Old is present on C, and assessing its size so you know how much space you'll free. Once done, back up any personal files from that folder and create a system restore point in case you need to roll back. Make sure you're signed in as an administrator and close running apps to prevent file locks. Now move to the built-in cleanup tools. This avoids manual deletion mistakes and preserves system stability while reclaiming disk space. You'll open Disk Cleanup as an administrator and immediately choose Cleanup System Files so Windows shows previous installations. Next, tick Previous Windows Installations and Windows Update Cleanup to remove the windows, old folder, and redundant update files. Take a moment to review other selected items, temporary files, and recycle bin, but avoid removing user profiles unless backed up. Click OK, confirm permanent deletion, and allow Windows to complete. Once Disk Cleanup finishes, reboot the system to finalize removal and verify reclaimed space on C. If Windows Old still appears, open Storage Settings and use Temporary Files Cleanup or run an elevated PowerShell command to remove the folder explicitly. This preserves administrative control. If Windows reports locked files, boot into Safe Mode or Windows Recovery Environment and delete the folder there. One troubleshooting tip: if a file remains locked, identify the locking process with Resource Monitor before deletion to avoid system instability.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.